The French Quarter Inn is located in Charleston, South Carolina, in the heart of the downtown area, just off of Market Street. We stayed in a deluxe Market View Terrace suite, which I will be giving you a room tour of today. This is the first in a series of videos about our stay here in Charleston and at the French Quarter Inn, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll know when we post those future videos. During our stay, we had the Deluxe Market View Terrace Suite, and these rooms are going to run you anywhere from in the high 500s to maybe even the high 900s per night. So we stayed here on a Sunday in February of 2023, and the nightly rate for our room was $571. While that might sound a bit steep, I encourage you to check out our future videos in this series, one of which will cover all that's included for the cost, which is much more than you would expect at an average hotel. We stayed in room 214, and like I said, that was a deluxe Market View Terrace suite. Whenever you walked in, there was plenty of room. There was a little table that you could set your belongings down on. The oversized marble bathroom was the first door on your left whenever you walked in, and it featured a soaking tub and a separate walk-in shower with premium toiletries. As you step back into the main room, you'll notice a cozy elegance with a southern charm kind of vibe. There were 2 queen beds in the room, a table for dining, a writing desk. There was a beverage cooler that came stocked with both still and sparkling water, a television and an armoire, a chaise lounge, and as you can see, a beautiful fireplace. One of the perks of this room is the oversized terrace that you get. You've got a table with 4 chairs, which is perfect for enjoying a breakfast outside in the morning. There are beautiful flowers in a planter box, not to mention you've got an amazing view of the city market in downtown Charleston. This room had some really unique perks, which I'm going to be discussing more in my review next week, so go ahead and subscribe if that sounds like something that you'd like to learn more about. I also wanted to mention that we have a Europe trip planned this summer in addition to another cruise, so those are some things that we will be talking more about in future videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, it would mean so much if you could give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We put out videos like this to help fellow travelers get inside details about travel destinations, in addition to sharing places that we love to hopefully provide inspiration for your future trips.